This is Lexiana and welcome back to Lex in the City Vlogs. So this is day one, part one of a new series on my channel. It's going to be a moving series because I am moving out of my apartment. Kind of sad about it, but not kind of sad about it because we've been in this apartment for 2 years now. I actually moved in on my birthday in 2018. So yeah, so we've been in this apartment for 2 years, so now it's time for us to go. We're all going our separate ways. One of my roommates going to Philly, and the other roommate, I think she's staying here in the city. And I'm actually moving into the city from out of Brooklyn, so I'm excited about that. So today, to start, because we move in like exactly 1 week, like literally 1 week from today, I will be moving out and going into my new place. And I have to pack. I have not packed anything. Like, I'm living. Like, we're living kids. Like, nothing has been packed. Nothing has been thrown away. If I show y'all this desk right now, I'm just going to show y'all a sneak peek. Sneak peek. Dropping shit. Okay, so yeah. So before we can start packing up stuff, I didn't drop the Fenty. Before we start packing up and doing stuff, I have to run to the store to get some cleaning supplies and get some trash bags and stuff like that. Things that I need to start throwing things away. So today I'm dedicating my whole day to packing up my room. And then aside from that, we are cleaning up the rest of the apartment. Like, I think today would be smart is like clean out the living room so we can move things. I want to move stuff into the living room and then start cleaning out the closets and cleaning out the kitchen. Once we do that, the bathroom I think should be the last thing because we're still here, still showering. Once we start cleaning up that stuff, I think everything else will be a smooth transition. My dad and my brother and my sister and my other brother are all coming up to help me. They all just wanted to come up because I do not need all this help. I literally only have to move my bed and clothes for the most part. I say that now until I start actually packing and realize I have way more than what I think I have. But they're all coming up next weekend to help me move. I need to call and confirm that actually. So I have to get everything started. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more of these this series on my channel. Like I said, it's a moving series. So we're gonna have the full shebang. We're gonna have me moving out of this place, giving you guys an empty house tour, empty room tour of the newer place. Giving you guys a 2-year update. What else did I want to do? Home decor shopping, room decor, like just a full series. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you guys want to come back and watch those videos. But go ahead and hit the like button if you like this video. So yeah, I just have my hair in a bun. Put the scarf on my edges. I'm literally just running to the store. So I got Chucks, pants, sweatpants on. We just gonna go really quickly, come back and get started. At first I was like, I don't even know where to start, but I think I'm gonna move all the clothes onto my bed because I had started like folding and organizing, and start with my desk. If I start throwing everything away from my desk and get the no, see, I'm contradicting how I'm gonna start already. Let me just go to the store. Let's see if Asa is ready to go. Ace, you ready? Okay. So, yeah, kitchen. We have so much stuff. I have stuff I want to give to Goodwill. Yes, my Christmas tree is still up. Only for the simple fact that I didn't know what to do with it. I didn't know like if my new place I was going to be able to harvest it. And I just bought like a lot of the cute stuff that's on it, so I didn't want to throw it away. But now it's just gonna have to go in the trash can. Have my Rihanna book that I can actually have up in my new place, so I'm excited for that. This TV, I need to put it on Facebook or offer up like the whole thing because I don't want it. I don't even watch TV enough for a TV. And I do have a TV under my bed that if I do want to put it up, I can put it up. So can I get rid of that? I don't know what we're doing with this gray thing. I think that's going in the trash as well. This table. Don't want that. The couch. Most of the stuff is like us just taking it and throwing it in the trash, which is good. Hey.
Hey.
What's going on?
Nothing, I'm just tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
And we have come.
I think we have somebody in the room too.
In what room?
Mickey's.
Are they here to help? Are they here to help clean up this house? So I love Dollar General because they be having like the dollar section, and you can literally find any and everything. Like soap. Oh, I do need to get some soap while I'm in here. They even have like little toilet paper rolls and all that. I hope I can find a Dollar General that's close. Lime away. We need this for the toilet. Y'all seen that thing on Twitter, and it was like, you don't know why you throw this in the tub, but you just put this in the tub and let it soak. Why is that so true? Because that's exactly what I'm gonna do with this. All right, y'all, we back in the house. Ace is starting it. She's over this shit.
All plastic bags are gone March 1st.
I'm so happy for that.
Yeah, but I'm like, is this what they're talking about?
Yeah, all of them. It'll be. They'll get a fine if they still have those. So we gotta take the tree down.
Thank you, Jesus.
Oh! I guess she was ready to go. She's leaning like a kickstand. So weak. Okay, so we've already like cleared the Christmas tree out, got most of the stuff moved out. I moved all the stuff that's like going in the trash and getting donated all in like one section. I then started my to-go section, which is right here. It's my lights. These were some pillows that were in the living room, and I'm gonna put some new pillowcases on, and then my Rihanna book. So
You rolled up shits.
huh? Yeah. So now we are tackling this like craft corner that we have going on here that has just a whole bunch of stuff in here
I wanted to do something
that we've never even opened. I feel like no one's opened anything in here. Just painted or
For some
something.
reason I can't throw away anything my mom has ever given me. Like it's just be like, this is valuable.
Well, all of this stuff is not mine. Oh,
this is mine.
that's my stuff. Those markers are mine. Those fabric markers. I think most of my stuff is in there.
This Mickey stuff in here.
This is mine though. Y'all know the Good 4 album. Y'all remember the Get Down?
Yeah.
Look.
This is mine.
I guess I'll throw this away.
Here on the trash.
Yeah.
Okay, well I ain't really.
I can throw all this stuff away. Atlanta. Too shy to get down. Where that trash bag at? It's over there. Alright, so that was cleared out quick. For the most part.
Yo, from upside down, don't she like Jay-Z?
I'm not finna play with her today.
You won't throw away Atlanta. This is the book.
It's the move, it's the show. But I'm not about to keep carrying around DVDs. DVDs, CDs.
We could always download it onto our computer.
Well, you go ahead and do that. I could just watch it on the many apps that it's available.
Yo, watch. See these gonna be, they're gonna be obsolete, but then they're gonna come back and you're gonna be like, dang.
They are, and I'm gonna be like, what the fuck? But I got them for free from work. I don't want it. I've never even watched Atlanta fully since we've watched. Not since we've watched it. I have not.
Picasso. I'm gonna give this to my manager. He'll take this.
Go ahead.
She's gonna be like, why don't you give me this? I'm like, you told me that DVD sucks, and I'm gonna give you this DVD.
I'm weak. This all your stuff right here? In this little pile. That's why you got it piled up like this.
Because I don't know if I want to keep the fish tank. I don't necessarily want to keep the ornaments. But then it was like,
you don't want to keep the fish tank?
I do, but it's an X heavy.
You paid good money for that.
We did not pay that much for that shit.
I felt like it was good money.
It was good money, but it was only 30.
Oh, this apartment has some memories. We had a fish. We had a dog.
Rat.
Yeah.
Mouse,
unwanted visitors. We
had all the animals. All unwanted visitors.
Feeling like Dr. Doolittle in this house.
Yo.
Alright, y'all. So we're taking a food break. We got Asa in the kitchen. She's about to make her infamous mushroom tacos. So you pretty much just need, and then she got the music playing. It's such a vibe. With the shirt though.
This looks raggedy. Like,
it's a vibe. You like a chef. The chef is in the kitchen. So you need mushrooms. I had sliced white mushrooms, but she used, what is it, portobello?
No, I don't have the portobello.
Oh,
it's the same thing.
Using? Oh, but don't you usually use portobello?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just letting the good people know. Okay, so I made myself in this room of mine to start packing. So I have like my summer clothes that I'm keeping on my bed, that all my shoes and stuff that was out here in the hallway is now put up and, you know, packed up and put away or whatever. And then these two, I have to put them in their box, which is on top of my closet. So I have all my clothes like kind of folded and organized. My method is just going to be putting them on hangers, putting trash bags on them, and, you know, transporting that way. So now I have to tackle this closet of mine and start pulling stuff out and seeing what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep. A lot of this stuff I can't even fit anymore, so if I can't fit it, there's no purpose for me to even bring it with me. So like these gotta go. So let me get into this closet. I'm making good progress though. I feel like I've been doing a lot. All that is dirty clothes, so that will probably be put with like the last batch of stuff. But for most part, everything else has been kind of cleaned out. This rack I have to kind of go through and organize and get stuff off of it. I have shoes and all this is like new stuff, so gotta kind of integrate that with what I already have in my closet. And then this is just going to be mostly aiming to throw a lot of this stuff away because it's just a girl with just a whole bunch of junk. So definitely going to go through this, organize this, and throw all of it away because the desk itself is actually going in the trash.